This illustration deals with medium voltage conductors and cables, NEC Article 311, Part 1. Now, the purpose of change is to provide a new article that has been added to address medium voltage conductors and cables. Article 311, Part 1 covers the scope, definition, and listing requirements. This new article was existing Article 328 for medium voltage cables. And then in Article 310, all your tables pertaining to medium voltage has been moved into this new Article 311. Now, first of all, what type of equipment do we have here? What's involved? We'll notice that metal enclosed or metal clad service equipment, we go to Article 490.47, and if you were dealing with circuit breaker type equipment, as you see in the illustration, maybe, we'd be looking at 490.21 A and B for circuit breakers and fuses. Now, Part 1, the scope is 311.1. The definitions is 311.2. The listing requirements now is in 311.6. And when we need individual components, breakers, circuit breakers, different items, review windows and things like that, we have to go to Article 490 in the NEC to pick up these high voltage elements that are not listed here in Article 311.